Your presence has been requested. You have about 30 minutes to change. And we are leaving for your sharp, okay?
Okay.
Here you go.
Hey.
Just like Greece and Italy, except just like Greece and Italy. I love this.
That would make sense.
Hi. What are you doing here?
You get to
Hello.
for so long.
Hello. Hi.
How's it going?
Good.
Having a good day so far?
It's a great day. It's not bad. Hi. Welcome home.
Yeah.
Text me hello. Oh.
Some things for you.
Thank you. Where are we going? Pearl Castle's house? Is that around here? That's funny because that's where we met. Hi!
Hey, Alexa. Good for you.
Oh. Hey, I saw you yesterday.
No.
Or was that today?
It was hard to,
I don't remember.
hard not
Hi.
to smile.
I've seen so many good people. That's my house. Oh,
Remember that? Isn't that good?
yeah.
Mr. Gum, where are you supposed to be right now, according to Alexa?
Well, I'm fishing.
Yeah.
Isn't that not what it looks like?
Yeah.
Wait, the fishing poles.
Yeah, they're going.
Oh, that's great. Your mom is awesome.
Wait, this is in Wisconsin. What are you doing?
We're fishing though.
Oh, good.
We're fishing.
Hi,
We are.
Wow, you look beautiful.
wow, thanks. Oh,
Yeah.
hi. Oh, hi. Uh-oh, when Dad cries, I cry. I love you so. Oh.
I caught this poem, Lex. June 12th, 2015. Well, Fish Camp obviously had to take a back seat, so we didn't miss the chance for us to meet. To congratulate you on this very special day. We couldn't be happier, we have to say. The many memories raising you cannot be erased from our minds, and a better man for you we could not find. Dear daughter, our hearts are filled with joy. We're so happy you found that one special boy. We see how you care and bring out the best in one another. Congratulations now for a lifetime you will spend together. Alexa and Josh, you have our blessings, support, and love. We know your relationship is blessed from above. Best wishes on your engagement and the next chapter together, through sunshine, rain, and all kinds of weather. The rest of your lives are about to unfold. a lifetime of love to have and to hold. With so much love, Mom and Dad.